Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix your Cinnado camera not connecting to Wi-Fi in 2026. So you need to start by setting up the camera the right way. For that, simply open your Cinnado application. Afterwards, in it, you just have to tap on the plus icon that you see on the home page. After tapping on the plus icon or the add device option, you need to simply select your camera. After selecting your camera, simply enter your Wi-Fi password, and then you just have to basically scan the QR code. And the QR code appears, you can hold your phone about 15 to 20 centimeters in front of the camera lens. Just make sure that the brightness is high and the QR code is clearly visible. Wait for the beep or the voice prompt before continuing. The incorrect QR code scanning is one of the biggest reasons why the setup fails. Now, even after doing this, the issue still persists. You can just simply reset and retry. For that, you just have to press and hold the reset button for about 10 to 15 seconds. After that, you just have to wait until the indicator light flashes. Wait for the camera to enter into the pairing mode and then simply restart the setup process from the application again. As I've discussed earlier, keep the camera close to the router during the setup in order to avoid any kind of connection failures. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.